Hi guys, here 12 minus 3 is 9 times 2 power 2 plus 2 in bracket divide by 2. Here 9 times inside the bracket we have 2 power 2 is 4 plus 2 in bracket divide by 2. Here 9 times here 4 plus 2 is 6 divide by 2. Here 9 times 6 is 54 divided by 2. Here 54 divided by 2 is 27 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 27 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, A stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operation PEMDAS. Yeah, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 12 minus 3, inside the bracket we have two operations, one is exponent, other one is addition. Here exponent is higher priority than this addition, so we have to do this exponent before this addition. Here 2 power 2 is 4 plus 2 in bracket divide by 2. Here 12 minus 3, this bracket is 4 plus 2 is 6 divided by 2. Here we have subtraction, multiplication and division. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication and division before this subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 3 times 6. Here 12 minus 3 times 6 is 18 divided by 2. Here we have subtraction and division. Division is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this division before this subtraction. Here 12 minus here 18 divided by 2 is 9. Here 12 minus 9 is 3 is the correct answer.